Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma Chief Minister Apuki Dengpen Assam along Rialu drugs mate break jamarakia hormu angkura pelong pen kehelang lab Japanpura Chiklo Joniang Bong kinep longtang Kuti anam kedo drugs ganja heroin pen danglok ong dungarakia hormu abuyang som kekai sai kedengpo Kidam tang aru chiklo nipai kep arni pen Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma Chief Minister ang hoy imi therapy Assam along Rialu kangri kangkrang hormu mate drugs heroin ganja pen danglok break jam arakia hormu angkura pelong kehelang lab Japan hukum ki piateng Karbianglong West Karbianglong Golaghat Nagaon Hojai pendanglok penang ana district along Kuti sose anam kedo arakia hormu pendanglok kejora beha ke klematuma phan neblong lo Lahai ki neblong tang arakia hormu pini Golaghat pen Karbianglong district along Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma nang sunsi mithangari deng penamat mikai tekang Dipurong supialong kedo Sport Authority of India patua klamalong kapadopon kekai asayalong Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma kaning chetengke Assam along drugs mate arakia hormu kapavir lab Japansi jasemet saike deng pasupon Laso tengsi chiklo joniang bong pharuner kebra troxy kebra pli lamhoi ke do tengpen bang pharu krep lira Troxir kebra bangke thomatuma phan drugs ke jora behalong kachirab duna joini neblong lo Halapu arakia hormu ke neblong tang aphai ke longa tengke heroin lining koi ganja quintal ner kebra lin pharo hinira troxy kebra troxose opium lin krip lisose codeine base cough syrup bongsuri troxir kebra pharo trogra phokep tablet capsule mula kresira suri troxir kebra pharo trogra inkorener kep Morphine linni sose lapen kaprek arakia hormu ke nebdun long anpen tangrum pet hithianam ke liatengke sika pharoi sira troxy kebra ke thom kuti sose tangka phai lepon lopusi ningjepon
Going to publicly burn some of the siege articles in Difu. Tomorrow we are going to do that in Nagaon and Hojai. By publicly burning these articles, banned articles, we want to send a strong message that Assam police is going to adopt a zero tolerance policy. We are going to cut both supply and consumption of drugs in Assam as well as supply to the rest of India. So I would like to thank Government of India, Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah and my colleague Chief Minister from Manipur and Nagaland for their help they have extended during the operation. I also want to congratulate Assam Police, Sri Bhaskar Jyoti Mohanto, Director General of Police, Sri GP Singh, Special DGP of Police, and entire their team for this act of bravery and selfless service. I am sure that Assam Police will continue to have this war against the drugs and will achieve the final success.
Alang likaning jetwa tengke lahai arakia hormu ke chopen penang an ki thurmia risoi jangatum a oga pran henu laplo lapen hemrit ki virnang atum ta dopiklo lasilahai sailang no ke khang thek ja phansi jasemet Assam sorkar pen sai ke deng pangchin ponlo drugs mate arakia hormu pen madu penta chilindu nangne kali pulote longri longpat lapen hamphang anta henu lap popusi Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma ningje konsi pina babangke hojai pen Nagaon longsi puthot kinep long tang arakia hormu kekai dam popusi pachini ko
Karbianglong SP ar gote team tu jiman khini drugs anise teolokor dhora karone on behalf of the people of Karbianglong thanks to SP and team tekharok moi dhonnobad disu je jate he drugs bilakor naikia koribo karone iar majote he drugsor homporke Opokta Bokta Bhaskar Jyoti Mohanto Dangoria tekhate gutekhini bitongbabe bohalai koise drugsor disposalor karjosi agender bahere moi Honorable Chief Minister dhonnobad dibo bisarisu je on behalf of the people of Karbianglong and Dimahasau for the first time of history in Karbianglong and Dimahasau we have received SOPT plan budget total 2,208.5 crores. Arolote State University West Karbianglongot tekhate electionor agot jitu raijor agot jitu protishuti dise সেই আখৰে আখৰে পালন কৰাৰ কাৰণে তেখেতৰ যিটো আমাৰ যোৱাকালি বাজেটত ষ্টেট ইউনিভাৰ্চিটি অন্তৰ্ভুক্ত কৰাৰ কাৰণে মই কাৰ্বি আংলং আৰু ডিমা হাছাও ৰাইজৰ হৈ তেখেতক ধন্যবাদ দিছোঁ।
নিউজ ৰিপৰ্ট সঞ্জীৱ কাথাৰ, কাৰ্বি আংলং লাইভ।